Principal Sheep. Welcome back to our classroom. Today, we'll be learning about functions. Today's content includes functions, how to find f brackets x when x equals b, how to find x when fx equals a, excluding values from a domain. This is very important, by the way. Composite functions, and finally, I'll give you a few questions. What are functions, you may be thinking? Function is like a system where you put in a number and you get a specific result based on that input. Think of it like a vending machine. When you insert money and select a drink, you receive a specific beverage. The function defines a rule that determines the output based on the input. Y equals 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. If x equals 2, find y. In the sentence, y equals 4x squared plus 5x minus 6. Then, find f brackets 2 in f brackets x equals fx squared plus 5x minus 6. If f brackets x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2, find f brackets 2. F brackets 2 means x equals 2. So just find x squared plus 3x plus 2, and to find it, just substitute x with 2 into the equation. So if x equals 2 in the equation I just said, then it is f brackets 2 equals 2 squared plus 6 plus 2, which is 12. Now, I'll teach you how to find x when fx equals a. F brackets x equals x squared minus 2. Given that fx equals 2, find x. F brackets x equals x squared minus 2. Given that fx equals 2 means x squared minus 2 equals 2. So, move the minus 2 to the right, then it will become x squared equals 4. Now, you can square root the 4 to find your answer. However, it isn't just 2, it's plus minus 2. So don't forget the plus minus, or else you will get that question wrong. Now, I'll teach you how to exclude values from a domain. In a function, a value may not be usable by the function itself. You must exclude that value or range from that domain. This is very important. Please listen carefully. For example, if a function is a fraction, then the denominator of that very fraction cannot be 0. So, for example, f brackets x equals 3 over x minus 2. The denominator of a fraction is not 0, so x cannot be 2. Therefore, x equals 2 cannot be included. The second type of a question you might get about a domain is square roots cannot be negative. So, for example, f brackets x equals the square root of x minus 3. And if x minus 3 is a negative number, x minus 3 is smaller than 0. So then just move the minus 3 to the right. Then it'll become x is smaller than 3. Therefore, x smaller than 3 cannot be included. Composite functions. fg brackets x, gf brackets x, fg brackets 3. If you want to find fg brackets x, substitute the formula for g brackets x for x and f brackets x. If you want to find fg brackets 3, substitute x equals 3 into the formula for g brackets x, and then substitute the answer for x in f brackets x. The first example is, if f brackets x equals 2x plus 3 and g brackets x equals x squared plus 2, example A is fg brackets x equals 2 brackets x squared plus 2 brackets close plus 3, which equals 2x squared plus 7. Example B is fg brackets 3. G brackets 3 equals 3 squared plus 2, which is 11. So fg brackets 3 equals f brackets 11, which equals 2 times 11 plus 3, which is 25. Now, I'll give you a few questions to test your understanding. For question 1, each of the following functions determine which values of x are excluded from the domain of f. A is f brackets x equals 3 over x plus 3. B is f brackets x equals the square root of 5x minus 7. C is f brackets x equals the square root of x squared minus 4. Number 2 is if f brackets x equals 3x plus 4 and g brackets x equals x plus 6, then find A, which is fg brackets x. Then B, gf brackets 3. The answer to number 1 is for A, x plus 3 equals 0, which when you move the 3 to the right is x equals minus 3. So x equals minus 3 cannot be included. The answer to question 1, B, is 5x minus 7 has to be greater than 0. So once you move this minus 7 onto the right and then divide it by 5, then it will become x being smaller than 7 over 5 cannot be included. The answer for number 1 again, for C, is x squared minus 4 has to be smaller than 0. So once you move the minus 4 onto the right, then it will become x squared has to be smaller than 4. So minus 2 being smaller than x and x being smaller than 2 cannot be included. The answer to question 2 for A is x bracket is 3 brackets x plus 6 bracket close plus 4, which is 3x plus 22. The answer for B is f brackets 3 equals 9 plus 4, which is 13. Therefore, gf brackets 3 equals g brackets 13, which is 13 plus 6 equals 19. And that is it for today's video. Please like and subscribe if you learned something new. 3, 2, 1.